Hello everyone, welcome back for another video, and today we are taking a look at Gyeon Tire Express, which is a brand new product from Gyeon. It should be an easy daily tire dressing, more for the quick application during your maintenance washing. Sorry for the noise because an airplane is flying over, which is pretty annoying. Always sound in my videos, annoying sounds, so deal with it. Easy daily tire dressing. Today we are applying it with a Adams block, which I cut in half. It's a pretty cheap applicator block. So this product is also applicable on a damp towel, which makes it more easy to apply during winter, because it's pretty hard to get your tire completely dry. So that's why I like it. I'm pretty excited about it. I'm gonna put it on and I will leave it on there for about 2 weeks or so. On the bottle it says quick and easy tire dressing, dry and wet use possible, allows rapid application, provides a natural satin look of the tire and repels dirt. It should need to hold up for those 2 weeks, so we are trying that out, and I will show you guys how it looks on the tire, and yeah, then I will come back in 2 weeks and I will show you the end result. So I put some Rubber Express on my applicator block. We're gonna rub it out. So I dressed half of the tire. You can see it leaves a nice matte, a nice satin look to it. I will come back in a week and I will show you guys how it did hold up, but at first it looks very good, so we will see in a week. So this is Gyeon Tire Express after 2 weeks, so you can see an awesome beading. So here on this piece is Gyeon Tire, all the way till here where there is absolutely no beading. So you can see it does a pretty amazing job at it. It's on there for about 2 weeks, and it did a pretty amazing job. We had some pretty nasty weather here in Belgium, so that will conclude the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a thumbs up and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!